Okay. Tell me about yourself.
Hello, sir. My name is Tanishq Parmar, 17-year-old Flutter and Django developer, proficient in Python and Dart language. Currently, I'm in 12th class and intern in a Kangaroo software. I've done my training since 2 years. I've trained Flutter and Django from Shiva Concept Solution in Indore. I've been in IT field since 2 years, learning since 2 years. Recently, I'm working in projects.
What is your recent projects?
My recent project was a roommates app in Flutter, where app stores all expenses and tracks all expenses of roommates who live in a shared PG in hostels.
Okay. Means these applications you have created in Flutter
Yes, sir.
using Dart language.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And any web applications you have
Yes,
created?
sir. I have created a Django application, technaukri.com,
Okay.
where you can apply for Naukri, which is local in Indore portal.
Okay. Means this is a job portal.
Yes, sir.
Technaukri.com. It is a live project?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Means you are working in mobile applications as well as in
Yeah.
web applications.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which programming language you are comfortable more?
Python, sir.
Python programming language. And in framework, how many frameworks you have?
So, Django, Flutter, and REST framework.
Django, Flutter, and
REST.
Django REST framework.
Yes, sir. And recently, I have also learned fast APIs.
Fast API also you are learning.
Yes.
Okay. So now I am asking some questions based on Python. Okay. Can you define what is the main difference between list and tuples?
List is used where we can create the copy of objects, mean there will be allowed duplicates.
Okay. Next, what is the difference between list and tuple?
So list can be mutable, but tuple can't be, and tuple is much faster than list.
Okay. And what is set?
Set is same as tuple, but it can't contain duplicate values.
Okay. But tuples is ordered, na? But set
Yes,
is
sir.
unordered.
Yes,
This
sir.
is the major difference between tuple and set.
Yes, sir.
Because its memory structure is completely different.
Yes, sir.
Because set is unordered structures. You can tell me any real-time example where you will prefer set.
So set can be like we are storing color primary colors for our site.
Okay.
We can use their set because we don't want duplicate values in colors.
Very nice example. And any real-time example of tuple?
So like passing some data, we can use tuple because we don't want the data to be changed again. So we use tuple. This ensure the security.
Okay, for security concern.
Yes, sir.
What is class in Python?
Class is a blueprint to make any object in Python. Like we all are humans. The human is our class.
How many objects we can create of single class?
Infinite.
Unlimited.
Yes, sir.
When you creating the object, then which component of class will call initially?
Constructor.
How to define it?
Class name we call
in Python.
init. Yes, sir. Init method.
We can.
Yes, sir.
What is lambda function in Python?
So lambda function is a like anonymous function which has no name, but it has body. Like we have to do something where we don't have to we just have to execute. We don't have to provide name or we don't have to define. We just use lambda function to execute some task.
And what is module in Python?
So module is a file where our code is placed and we use that module.
Okay. Means you can simply say that module is a file.
Yes, sir. Module is a file.
Can you create your own module?
Yes, sir.
How?
Defining init file in a folder and placing our some code like in class and method form. We can make our own module and import it and use it in our code.
Okay, means import keyword will be used.
Yes, sir.
How to declare private methods in Python?
So by using underscore before their identifiers.
Underscore or double underscore?
Double underscore.
And single underscore?
Single underscore is for protected.
Python contain any data type concepts?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how to prove that Python contain data type?
So we can use take a variable, store different types of data, and there is a type function in which we can see that type of the data variable.
How to convert string type to float type?
There's method in Python float. We just pass the argument and it will convert and return the float value.
What is the destructor in Python class?
So there's a concept of constructor which is basically when created. Destructor is for destruction, like where we have to delete or destruct something in our object. We will call the destructor method.
What is monkey patching?
Monkey patching.
Okay, this is a concept of dynamically modify the functionality of object. Suppose that you want to modify the functionality of object.
Actually, I
Or
have
any
studied but
methods.
can't recall.
Okay, or any methods.
Yes, yes.
Then you can use monkey patch. Patch
Okay.
means partially modify the functionality.
Okay.
Decorators.
So decorators are something like layering for our functions. We can use it before our function, like we give it a layer of functionality. There we use decorators.
So what is the difference between Django framework and Django REST framework?
So Django framework is used for a web making. Like we have to make a website under HTML. There we use Django framework. REST framework is for APIs, where we have to develop APIs. We use REST framework.
Okay, means using Django framework you can't develop REST API.
Yes, using Django framework only we can use make REST APIs.
No, I am not using Django REST framework.
Hmm.
I just use Django framework.
No, sir, we can't make APIs through only Django.
Means we will use Django REST framework.
REST framework.
So what is serializer in Django REST framework?
Serializer is a class just to convert the JSON data to our Django code or Python code, and it's just a middleware. Like we have this parsing the JSON data.
And what is view set?
View set is basically like our API view, like what after serializer. After serializer, we create view set to perform any actions or implement logic in our API.
Means database based logic also we will.
Yes, sir.
Database queries also we will.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how to select record? Suppose I have a student table in database. I want to select their records using Django ORM. What query will write?
So there is a method in our Django provided, filter method. We use that filter method.
All record I want to.
All.
Yeah.
All record. There is a dot object dot all method.
All methods.
Yes, sir.
We can manage it.
Yes,
And
sir.
I want to display this record in descending order.
There is a order by method in our Django framework. We will use that. And there is a parameter DESC is equal to Boolean value. If we pass it, it will be in descending. If it will false, it is in ascending.
Okay. Means order by methods. We will use.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know about associations?
In Django?
Yeah.
No, sir.
You have created foreign key concept.
Yes, sir.
How to create foreign key?
Foreign key is a concept where like we have two tables. There is a another table. There is a primary key, and that their primary key will be this foreign key. Foreign key concept, so that we can refer the other table's data.
That is called association.
Okay.
That is called association. Okay, one-to-many relationship.
Okay.
By default, it is one-to-many relationship. You can manage many-to-many relationship, many-to-one relationship. These are called associations.
Okay.
You have created a Pulse app.
Yes, sir.
That.
Yes,
These are
sir.
sample applications of Django.
Okay.
Okay, we have used choice.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Choice.
Set.all. So this is an association concept, no?
Okay.
Okay. Nice. So your concept is good and your technical part is also good. Some improvement is required. और खासतौर से जो लोग इस वीडियोस को देख रहे हैं मैं बताना चाह रहा हूँ देखो इनका अभी ये 12th क्लास में है और इनके पास 2 टेक्निकल स्किल्स हैं और ये ट्रूली हमारे कंपनी के प्रोजेक्ट में भी काम कर रहे हैं हमारे कंपनी के जितने भी प्रोडक्ट हैं कैंगरू सॉफ्टवेयर के उन सभी प्रोडक्ट पे ये काम कर रहे हैं बेसिकली हमने अभी technaukri.com लॉन्च किया है जो हमारा एक जॉब पोर्टल है इसके अंदर बहुत सारा काम इन्होंने करा है और इसका जो मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन वर्जन है वो भी ये बना रहे हैं ठीक है तो आप देख सकते हैं कि देखो सीखने के लिए कोई उम्र की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती किसी भी टाइप की कोई डिग्री की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती इन्होंने प्रूव किया है क्योंकि ये अभी 11th क्लास पास हुए हैं और अभी 12th क्लास पढ़ रहे हैं और एक बहुत ही बेटर तरीके से एक बहुत ही प्रोफिशिएंट तरीके से ये एप्लीकेशन डेवलप कर रहे हैं और अभी आप इनका देख रहे हो परफॉर्मेंस किस तरीके से ये Django और पाइथन के आंसर्स तो बहुत बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर फ्यूचर्स और हम ये एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि आप बहुत अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाएंगे और लोगों को मोटिवेट करेंगे।